Number 6. Switch apps. There are several ways to effectively shift from one app to another and to manage them on your desktop using hotkeys. Pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab will show you all the apps currently running on your PC. Again, Mac is known for rocking the app navigation game, so it's a bit easier on OS. It's just Ctrl plus Tab. Another way to open the task view, press the Windows key plus Tab. This is the PC equivalent to the Mac's Mission Control. It provides a broader view of open windows and available desktops, and it's much more convenient to use. And finally, there's the hotkey Alt plus Tab or Command plus Tab on a Mac that will allow you to swap programs without previously displaying them, like a deck of cards. If you work with just a couple of windows at once, this one's for you. Number 7. Program Management and Troubleshooting. Let's go shoot us some trouble. Now, listen carefully because you'll want to remember this one. Everyone's been there. One program is stuck and won't process anything, even if you cry, beg, or try to bribe it to do so. To avoid restarting your device and losing all your progress, try using the following combo: Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or Command plus Option plus Escape if you're working on a Mac. It'll open the Task Manager, which will help you force quit any malfunctioning app or stop the ones that aren't responding. Losing some data from one faulty program is not the same as losing all your data from all of them. Number 8. Open File Explorer. Not all your apps need to be on hand all the time for you to work faster. Some of them are standard programs built into your computer, and there's a quick and convenient way to access them. Pressing the Windows key plus E opens the File Manager window on your PC. For Mac users, this is your Finder app. Nine. Use the magnifier. Ever dreamed of becoming one of those TV detectives that can find anything on any picture, no matter how tiny the image is? Enhance the image, I need 10x zoom. Yeah, you can totally do that on your computer. The Windows key, combined with the plus or minus key, will open the magnifier app, which allows you to zoom in and out wherever you point your cursor. The same goes for Mac OS, but you need to use the combination of Alt, Command, and plus to zoom. Just don't expect to be catching any criminals from the tiny inverted reflection bouncing off an earring or something. Number 10. Take screenshots. Oh, you found that tiny evidence. Well, you better collect it. Use the Windows key plus print screen to take a screenshot and immediately save it in the image folder on your hard drive. Mac also lets you take screenshots by pressing Command plus Shift plus 3. But for you, it gets even cooler. If you push 4 instead of 3, you'll be able to choose what part of your desktop you want to snap a picture of, or even take a screenshot of only one exact window.